How's it going? What's happening? And how are you doing, blessed and beautiful soul? Kiara DeCass here today with the Crypto Bliss Show. Blessings to you all. Thank you for being here with me today, guys. You can see I've been smashing out videos for you here today. Bitcoin, Ripple, XRP. Sorry, I'm just tasting one of those delicious chocolates that we've just introduced into our business, Synergy Organics. And yeah, I just did a finished video for you now, making money on bybit through trading. So this is my officially my first video that I'm sharing with you guys on my actual trading and my trading accounts, and what those look like and how, which entry levels I've put in. So this is complete transparency in this video. And I'm just showing you guys that you can do it with small accounts, big accounts, doesn't really matter what size account you have. That you can do it in any way. So go and check that video out there, and it should be up in the link here above if you haven't seen it. But guys, today I am sharing with you, and you can trade this also, but using my bybit link down below, but at the same time my $30,000 bybit link down below, so you can make a lot of money. But at the same time, what I really want you to do is click on that bybit link below, go sign up with an account with bybit, do a deposit into that account, and just get through some of the tasks that they have. You will learn a lot more about crypto, especially if you don't know anything about crypto. It's a good thing to know some stuff about crypto and some information that is very valuable to you and your family to essentially build your wealth over time. So crypto is going to be here for a very long time, and I think we all need to just recognize that in the moment now. So for me, guys, you can make money through trading, earning, robots, investing, flipping, all kinds of different things. And I will do videos, so make sure to get onto my my new playlist here, which is called Trading Tutorials, and make sure to get onto that list there so that you guys can go and have a look at which content I share with you over the next, who knows how long I'll do different strategies here for you guys to have a look at. So with that being said, let's jump straight into today's coin. And today's coin is none other than apecoin, which is ranked 42 on CoinGecko. It's currently sitting at $4.13, down 0.7% for the day. That's its logo, that's its name, and that's its ticker. You can see it's on 85,000 people's watch lists. Its current market cap is about 1.5 billion, and it has a current circulation supply of 368 million, and there is a maximum supply of 1 billion on these coins, which is amazing. So the fully diluted valuation is 4 billion. So you can see that is exactly that if you had to do the sum here, that will look like that 4 billion should essentially make up that entire billion, and that's where you'll get this $4 coin price from. So interesting, because circulating supplies is very interesting, and I'm not sure why. I'm wondering if there is, of course, certain coins that are locked up. I'm sure there are, but yeah, that's quite a big jump there as well, which I don't like, as you guys already know. But that's not to say that this coin won't do well. Okay, so this coin's previous all-time high was at $26.70. We're down 85% from that point. Now the all-time low was at $2.63. I think it could come low. I think it could come down close to that price again, which means that you have an opportunity to buy this coin a little bit lower and make some serious gains on this coin. And we're going to talk about these gains in a little moment. So in fact, let's look at the all-time high. So 26.70 divided by okay, before I do that, just going to have a look at the chart just very briefly. I do believe that this could come down a little bit, and I'd say about $3.20, which is down here again. Okay, I think so, because it had a sell signal here as well, and look at this pressure that it's still got. So I do believe that it could come down a little bit more. I do believe about $3.20, this green line, horizontal line, you can see because of the support here, support here, support there, and it hasn't been below this level. So I think that will be a reasonable place to look to purchase it. So I would say about $3.20, which is about 25% down which is about half of this essentially. So yeah, about 40 cents from the bottom of this coin, which was a couple months ago. So very interesting buy in this coin, because essentially if this coin is currently valued at 1.5 billion, we'll go and do the math behind that in a moment, but I just want to show you what this is about. So apecoin, this is the website. You can come over and come and have a look at all of this. You can buy, sell. It has a marketplace. There are proposals. There's a discussion. There's governance. But let's go and have a look at the about. So apecoin is for the Web3 economy. Culture has found new expression in Web3 through art, gaming, entertainment, and events. The possibilities for blockchain's impact on culture are so endless that they can't possibly all be predicted yet. apecoin is a token made to support what's next, controlled and built on by the community. It will serve as a decentralized protocol layer for community-led initiatives that drive culture forward into the metaverse. Excuse me. The apecoin Foundation. So you've got the apecoin Foundation, you've got the decentralized organized autonomy, and you've got the board, which manages this. And then here are the boards with their board, Ape Yacht Club, NFTs, and pretty much they all own that. So here's the apecoin protocol. Here's everything that you need to know for this coin on an interesting timeline. The ecosystem fund, Yuga Labs plus charity, 14% launch in contributions, and BAC founders contributed 8% to the project. So it's amazing, guys. I mean, this coin has really done very, very well for itself. It's you can come and see use the NFT checker to make sure that you got original NFTs. But yeah, I mean, you can come read everything that you need to know here about Bored Ape Yacht Club and Bored Ape only. You need an apecoin allocated per NFT pair. So if you've got a Bored Ape only, you need 10,100 tokens of this. If you've got a Mutant Ape only, you need 2,000 tokens of this. If you've got a Bored Ape Plus Kennel Club, you need 11,000, and so on. So you'll need to have these to be part of the apecoin claiming for BAYC and MAYC holders, and that would give you some serious firepower, but that was a long time ago. So I just wanted to share that with you guys. The chart here looks absolutely delicious. So as I said, down here, boom, pull back up to the top here. I think it will then eventually break out of this level. Then first target will be about $8 again. And then I would say to you that once we break clean the $8 and we actually then move on to the higher time frame, we would then look to get that $28 level up there, which from where it currently, in fact, where it would go, which would create a new higher low, that would give us a 727 pump just to that all-time high. And what would that look like for us? So let's go back to let's go back here. So all-time high right now, and let's just say we buy in at $3.20 divided by 3.20 will give us an 8.3x on your money. Okay. Now, if you had to convert your if you had to take the the multiplier at that level, and you would basically say this would be worth about 26 billion. This project would be worth about 26 billion at that level. So if I had to say to you guys, if this project had to go up to $100 billion market cap, and we had to divide it by, obviously that market cap would fall in half. So I'd say, let's just say $1 billion. Okay. So I think I didn't do that first one right. So 100 billion divided by 1 billion would give us 100x gain, right? So we would perhaps see 100x gain on apecoin at some point in the future. And from 3.20 times 100, that would give you a $320 apecoin. So is it doable? Yes, it is doable, guys. It is doable. So here's the contract number. Here's the website. Come on over, do your own research, please. Remember to come like my channel, subscribe, and share this content if you think you need to share it with others too, then please do so. Thank you very much. I appreciate